This is how to quickly access your drafts in WordPress. I'm already inside the WordPress dashboard. Click Posts in the left menu. The Post page opens on All Posts. At the top of the list, you'll see the status filters. Don't scroll through published articles hunting for an unfinished one. Click Draft. WordPress now shows only your unpublished draft posts. This is the quickest way to find draft posts without scrolling through all the published articles. I use this filter every time because it's one click and it removes all the noise. The draft link usually shows a number next to it, so you can see how many drafts are sitting in there. Find the draft you want, hover over its title, and click Edit. The editor opens with the draft content loaded. Continue editing from where you left off. When you want to keep it unpublished, click Save Draft in the top right. I always hit Save Draft before I leave the editor, even though WordPress does autosave. That final click is the part that lets me close the tab without second guessing. The screen will confirm with a saved message. If you're ready to make it public, click Publish in that same top right corner. Now go back to the dashboard and click Pages. If All Pages isn't already selected, click All Pages. At the top of the page, look for the same status filters. Click Draft. WordPress now shows only your unpublished draft pages. Posts and pages keep separate draft lists, so a draft page won't show up under Posts. That's the mistake I made early on. Hover over the page title and click Edit to open it. While you're in the dashboard, click Home in the left menu. Look for the Quick Draft widget. If it's not visible, click Screen Options in the top right, and make sure the Quick Draft box is checked. The widget appears so you can type a title and some content and save a quick draft. I don't use this for finding existing drafts because it doesn't list them. It's only a fast way to get a new idea into the system. For searching, go back to Posts, All Posts. Click the Search Posts box in the top right. Type a unique word from the draft title like Checklist. Click Search Posts. The list updates to show only posts that match that search. If you have more than a page of drafts, use a word that is specific, not something that appears in half your titles. To narrow it faster, click the draft filter first, then type the same keyword in the search box and click Search Posts. Now you're looking at only drafts that match your search. I use this combined route whenever I've got dozens of drafts because it takes a long list and cuts it down to a handful before I start reading titles. To save a new post as a draft, click Add New Post. Add your content in the editor. Click Save Draft in the upper right corner. The status changes to saved and the post stays unpublished. You can close the editor and return later through Posts, All Posts, Draft. For pages, click Pages, then Add New Page. Add your content and click Save Draft. The page will remain unpublished. When you come back, go to Pages, All Pages, Draft to find it. Open the draft you want to publish from Posts, All Posts, Draft. Review the title, images, links, and formatting first. I always click Preview before publishing because once a post is live, a broken link is a much bigger problem than a broken link in a draft. When you're ready, click Publish in the top right. WordPress may show a confirmation panel. Check the settings, then click Publish again. The button changes to Published and the post is now publicly available. To delete a draft, go back to Posts, All Posts, Draft. Find the one you no longer need, hover over its title, and click Trash. The draft moves to trash. It's not permanently gone yet. But don't delete drafts just because they're old. I've gone back and turned old drafts into updated posts instead of starting from zero. If you did trash something by accident, click Trash at the top, hover over the item, and click Restore. It comes back as a draft, not a live post. To move a published post back to draft, open the published post from All Posts. In the right sidebar, find the Status row. Click Edit next to Status, change Published to Draft, then click Save. Click Update in the top right. The page reloads and that post is no longer public. I use this when I need to temporarily hide an article while I redo most of it. While you're in the draft list, hover over a draft and click Quick Edit. Change the title from something useless like New Post to a real title, like How to Create a WordPress Blog Page. Tick a category and add a tag if you use tags for your workflow. Click Update. Clear titles are what make the search box and the draft filter genuinely useful later. One more thing worth doing now that you know where everything lives. If you have a lot of drafts, open Post, All Post, Draft, and look at the number next to the draft link. That count tells you how many pieces you're carrying. If it's higher than you expected, open the oldest draft and decide whether to finish it, update it, or trash it. That 5-minute cleanup keeps the draft list from becoming a graveyard. If this got you into your drafts quickly, give it a like, subscribe for more WordPress walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.